Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to Madam and all my friends. Okay, today our group will perform a sketch titled Aaron and the Gorgon Romania. Hope you all enjoy it. Before we start, we will introduce our character. The first character is
Okay, my name is Muhammad Syarah Aizat, but the Muhammad is lost. I don't know where he is. Okay, I'm as a fisherman, Lisa husband and Dracula. Many character. I'm tired.
Okay, the next is
My name is Abizuddin. My character is Aaron as a main character in this story.
the next is
My name is Vicky and I as fisherman one, stranger one and Mona husband.
the next character is
Okay, my name is Zahida and I as the narrator and Lisa's maid.
okay. The next character is
Okay, my name is Nazratul Raja as Mona and Princess.
okay. The next is
My name Aina Sharira as stranger two and Lisa's maid.
and the last is
My name is Raida and my character is Lisa and Bamboo's Princess.
Allahumma salli.
long time ago they had a sweet married couple live at a village named Kampung Bersepang. They have two daughters, Mona and Lisa. They lived as a happy and a harmony family. One day,
Allah. Honey, come here.
Yes.
I want to talk to you something. I want to talk to you something.
Yes.
Today, I want to catch a lot of fish at the sea.
Yes.
Can I go?
Oh really?
Yes, really lah.
I hope we catch a lot of fish to us.
Inshallah. Alright, take care of all our kids.
Okay, don't worry, just trust me.
Okay. Kiss. Mama. Bye.
And then the fisherman planted the zeni and determined to catch a lot of fishes.
This is my net. Very. Sabar. Technician. Today, I want to go home. I get a lot of fishes to my family. I will make sure that my family will not starve anymore. Where is the fish? You're wasting my time. Very tired today. Sure. Hey, what is this?
Suddenly,
What is this? Something pull my net. Yeah. Sure. Oh, there are a lot of fish here. Thanks God. I believe. Today my family will not be anymore.
after that, he returned back home and told the whole story to his wife. Suddenly, supervision. You need to punish.
What? I don't know that was your place. And I don't think that other fish is yours. Don't disturb me again. Go away.
You are so rude to us.
Hey, who are you?
You will be punished. I will curse you sick for your entire life.
Hey, please forgive me. I will be never rude to you again. I'm so sorry. I made a mistake. Sorry. Sorry.
If you are released from this
Hey,
curse,
sorry.
you have to give both of your daughters to us.
Send them at the same place where you catch the fishes. If not, your illness will be more dangerous until you die.
Ha 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 ha.
What this sound? Funny.
The two strangers were disappeared.
Oh. Did I have to follow the order? I think no. That is not true. That is just dream. So nonsense. Hey.
The next morning, the fisherman felt very weak and something strange happened to him.
Oh. Dear my beloved daughter, today I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. Can you help me to catch some fish at the sea?
Okay, my father.
Hashim!
I will help you.
Hashim! Hey, wait. My dear little daughter, can you follow at the sister too? Pity her.
Oh, of course. Alright, father. Sister, you have to show me how to catch
Hashim!
fish. This is my first experience. Let's go.
Evening drew near, but the two daughters still not returned yet. The wife felt very worried.
Allah.
Oh my dear,
Yes?
why they don't come home yet? It's very late now. I'm so worried.
Don't worry, my dear.
Aduh.
They will be back later. They know how to be independent. Why are you laughing? Not funny, okay? They are lost. Very sad.
The next day, fisherman's disease had been cured.
Honey, I'm back. I'm a healthy person now. Should we go out together to the city? To go cinema.
Dear, did you
Yes?
forget that our daughters still not returned home? Why are you so happy? Is it related to our daughters missing?
Eh, no. What? I don't understand what you say. Huh?
Oh my dear,
Huh.
please tell me the truth. Is it your illness related to our daughters missing? Please trust me the truth.
Eh, no, it's not true. I love our daughter. I love our daughter. I love our daughter. I love our daughter.
Then fisherman felt so guilty, so he had to tell all the truth to his wife. The wife felt very disappointed. A few years later, a son was born named Aaron, such an intelligent and brave boy. One day, he asked his mother about something.
Mother. Mother, can I ask you one question?
Yes, what is it?
Why I don't have any sister or brother? I feel very jealous.
Ya Allah.
See, we have three elder sisters, but they are missing. They have gone. They are.
They are what? They are dead?
No, they are not dead yet, but they are missing. We cannot find them.
I will find them.
Then Aaron made a decision to find his sisters.
Putih belum tu. I'm very tired now. I think I want to get some rest.
Suddenly, in the forest, help! Help! Somebody help me! Help!
Where are you? I cannot see you.
Please help me! I'm here, stuck at the bamboo. Help!
Oh, what the? Oh, very, very beautiful.
He felt so shocked because he found a beautiful princess.
Let me help you. Mantap.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. My power will disappear when I got my magic stick.
Magic stick, what? Are you a ghost?
No, I'm not a ghost. I'm a beautiful princess. Dia lang, man. Where you want to go now?
It's a long story.
Then Aaron told the whole story. Oh, so sad. Don't worry. I will help you. I will give you two things. The flute and magic blanket.
Thank
Okay,
you.
if you blow the flute, the things that you imagine in your mind can be appear. And the magic blanket can help you to be invisible. Use it properly, okay?
Thank you, princess. I will use it properly.
Take care and thanks. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Then Aaron continued his journey.
The princess is so beautiful. I love it.
Gatai.
Suddenly, Aaron was slipped and fall in the big black hole. He was fainted. This is picture in the year 2017. You can find your sisters here.
It's very hurt. My sister are in this era. If my sister in this era, I must find them.
Then Aaron continued his journey. For the first time, looking the buildings, cars, and nice clothes, he felt very excited.
Wow. What is this?
Suddenly, he found a big bungalow house.
I think my sister was here. Assalamualaikum. Salam. Miss, may I see my sister, please?
Your sister? Who is she? I think you came at the wrong place. Sorry.
No, my sister is here. I'm sure, very, very sure today.
Okay, wait a minute. But can I trust you? Maybe you are the psycho that the policeman wanted now.
They are not like psycho.
Yes, a little bit.
Oh, what the?
Who are you, little boy? Did I know you?
Yes, I'm Aaron. You Lisa. You Mona. My Aaron.
I don't have any little brother. I just have a little sister that I missing long time ago.
You're right. But I was born a few years after you missing. You and your sister Lisa were missing a long time ago.
Wow. That's
Oh, alright.
Aaron told the whole story. Then his sister invited him to get in the house. Suddenly,
Oh, my dear. Who is this young man? Are you bringing a stranger in our house?
No, he's not a stranger. He is my little brother, my dear.
Oh, is it really? I'm
Yes.
so sorry. Glad to meet you.
Glad to meet you.
after a few hours later,
Sister, I think I must go now. I have to find Lisa.
Oh, you mean Lisa?
Yes.
I hope you will find her as soon as possible. I miss you so much.
Okay.
Take care.
Take care too.
Wait.
Yeah.
to give to you. Is it really used to you one day? Please trust me.
What is this, brother?
This is a torchlight.
Oh, very powder torchlight.
Okay.
Thank you, brother.
Okay, take care.
Then Aaron continued his journey. After a few hours later,
I'm very tired now. I have to get some rest. La 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 la. Wow, amazing. This is garlic. I don't eat garlic. You sabotage me. Okay, it's very tasty. Delicious. Thank you, Flute, for giving me a food.
after a few minutes later, Aaron continued his journey.
Okay, maybe this is a Lisa house. Maybe it's a Lisa house. I must knock the door. Hello, good morning. Excuse me, miss. May I see my sister, please? Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes, cute little boy. May I help you? Do you want to see?
Gentle.
No. I just want to see my sister, Lisa.
Wow, such a materialistic boy. How could you say like that to me, okay? Go away. Did I know you?
Oh, you so angry to me. I'm your employer, little brother. How dare you say like that to me?
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't believe it. I'm so sorry. Sorry for the mistake.
Okay, never mind. Never mind.
Who are you? Is it true that you are my little brother?
Yeah, true. I'm Aaron. I'm your youngest brother. I was born a few years after you and Mona missing long time ago. Ah. Eh, who is you? Who is this boy, my dear?
Oh, this is my little brother. He came here to find me and make sure that I'm safe.
Long time no see. Long time no see, brother. Monkey di Luffy. Monkey di Luffy. Yeah. Monkey di Luffy. Where you want go now? I want to meet you lah. Yes. On dialogue. Yeah. Yeah, on dialogue.
Come here. Why you grab my hand?
I'm shaking right now.
Yeah, shaky. My little brother.
Yeah.
I want to give you something.
What you want to give me?
I want to give you gali.
Garlic.
No. Shh. No.
Okay.
Okay. No. This is gali.
Yes, this is garlic.
Yes.
Do you think this is chocolate?
No. You very funny boy.
Then Lisa's husband went out to
Wait.
do some other.
Wait.
Oh no, get out. Okay.
Suddenly,
Sister, I think I must go now. But I have a question for you.
what?
I see a scary town. I see a scary tower at the town. Did anybody left there?
You mean
Maybe a Dracula?
the bloody tower?
Yeah, bloody.
It's so dangerous. It belongs to an ever Dracula.
What? Dracula?
later, Aaron make a decision to help the
I
princess.
think I must save the princess. I want to be a champion. Oh ho ho ho. Hey Nas. Princess. Sure.
Help me, somebody help me. It's very hard.
Hey. You are full princess. Not see. You full princess. I told you to marry me. Why you not accept my proposal? You will get the punishment again. Yeah, hey, you little Dracula je. Get off from the princess. Oh, the dirty earth. Very big mouth. Fish. Who are you, boy? A little boy like a little chicken. No, you said me like a chicken. I'm not chicken, man. I'm a man. Hey, who are you? Are you a sibling, mother, father, gentleman? No. Mother, father, and the gentleman tak ada. No mother, father, gentleman. Don't say like that to me. I'm very angry now. Oh, you angry, but I'm afraid with you. Okay. Wait and see what I won't fight with you this day.
Then Aaron wore his magic blanket.
Ha. Hey, come on, fast. Time. Oh, ya, little late. Oh, Allahu Akbar. I'm a Muslim Dracula. Hey, come on. I'm tired. Yeah, I'm coming. I want to take examination. Yeah. Exam on you, Dracula. Where are you, boy? I cannot see you. Yeah, hear me. But you still cannot see me. I cannot see you. Yeah. Who are you? Where are you? Gali. What is this? This is Wali Gali. Gali. This is a Gali? Yeah. My No. Steady. I want to cook it. Don't cook it. Yeah. This is auditorium. Yeah, this. Yeah, Sia.